Welcome to 9606 North Mallory Court. This immaculate 5-bedroom, 4-bath home is located in Prairie Breeze on 5 Mile. It does have an open concept main floor, however it does still have formal dining room. There's a smart lock at the front door, a front point security system, blink cameras, and a Ring doorbell that stay with the home, though buyers will need to create their own accounts. The garage is oversized and offers tons of storage. There's also a powder room for visitors, and the primary suite is conveniently located on the main floor as well. Upstairs you'll find a large loft area, a spacious laundry room, 4 bedrooms, 2 of which are connected by an adjoining Jack and Jill bathroom. There's an additional guest bathroom as well. The huge covered patio off the back has natural gas plumbed for your barbecue. The fully fenced backyard is flat, making lawn care simple. Thank you so much for taking time to view this home. Have a great day.